But Kathryn persevered. She was always, always, always the princess. And I was not surprised, well actually I was surprised, when she said she was going for an understated plain wedding dress. But not at all surprised when she returned with her princess gown. Doesn't she look beautiful?
Someone brought you towards the camera.
I know, so we were like, why?
I don't know the strokes.
I started knowing through golf a lot. We played golf as sort of like 12, 13-year-olds and sort of gone all the way up from there. So it's been good. We've been through a lot over the years, but it's been pretty positive.
I went to uni with Mark, spent 3 or 4 years in a flat with him, got to know him really quite well. And yeah, he's just a brilliant lad. Brilliant lad. He's the crack, right?
Yeah, we both like him a lot.
It'll be an emotional but special day. We've been looking forward to this for a long time. Kathryn herself has. She's been drawing her wedding since she could draw. So yeah, an emotional day and a special day for myself and my wife.
To my bride, Kathryn, I cannot believe the day has arrived. I am so thankful to have met you and cannot wait to see you walk down the aisle in a few hours' time and finally be able to see the dress. Let's go and enjoy this day together and become husband and wife. Lots of love, Mark. Oh, it's lovely. This is my maid of honour, so I'm going to be house.
Oh, someone's here.
Takashi, your wedding day. Oh my gosh, clinking profile.
My darling Mark, I cannot believe that our wedding day has arrived. I've been looking forward to this day for so long, and now that we are finally here, I cannot wait to walk down the aisle towards you. These past few years have truly been the happiest of my life. Although I was content before I met you, I knew from the moment I saw you that I wanted to share my life with you. I hope that you aren't feeling too nervous today. I will see you at 1 p.m-ish, grinning from ear to ear, and with tears of happiness in my eyes. Your soon-to-be wife, Kathryn. I love you. Thank you. Wow. I love that.
She is the funniest person I think I've ever met.
Yeah.
Whenever you're with her, you just burst out laughing. She's
Yeah.
got so many random X Factor.
She loves her memes. She loves her silly little animal memes. Meerkats
Yeah.
during like
Or
COVID.
bunnies.
Yeah, bunnies, meerkats, one of a cat. And she dances to the beat of her own drum, I would say. Absolutely. She
My cousin and my best friend.
Last to get dressed. There you go. Well done. Thank you for supporting me, so I've got a couple of things for you. Sorry, now you project. Thank you very much. Cheers. 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 Cheers, Mark.
I met Kathryn just a few months ago, but I knew straight away she was a perfect fit for Mark.
Just fits in like so well.
and he's so
Everyone
grounded and sensible. Like
Yeah.
Kashi's away with the fairies in the best possible way, but he's like he is so grounded. Like
Brings
takes
her back down.
Yeah, brings her back down to earth. Wow. Oh. Stop.
Haley's gone. Uncle Lad, we could pull him a bit.
Way! You look gorgeous.
Sorry. No, because it's just they have to go to the shower, so how are you? Good to see
Well done, you okay?
you. So stop her. That's a lovely colour. I held you back. No.
No.
I'm going to be looking at Mark to see what he looks like But then, like Kashi's parents, but I really want to see Mark's face when he sees Kashi.
Yeah, I think Kashi coming down
I think that's so special.
Just knowing she's been waiting for this moment, you know, like I just know she's been talking about her wedding day since she was little, and it's like this moment is hers, and she's just gonna. Yeah, I can't wait to see that.
Here today, we have 1 plus 1, and the answer to the 1 plus 1 equals 1, because you've actually come together. Because you entered this building as single individuals. You will leave this building as one single unit, together. It's transformed in that sense. You're united. And there will be therefore this one flesh, this intimacy on every level, on an emotional, on a psychological, on a sexual, on an intimacy level, on a spiritual level, on every level. There's this new unity because of the gift that God has given to you of each other.
I ask you to take each other by the right hand.
In the presence of God,
And before these witnesses,
I, Mark, give myself to you, Kathryn, to be your loving husband, to take you now to be my wife.
I, Kathryn, give myself to you, Mark, to be your loving wife, and to take you now to be my husband.
I promise to love, cherish and honour you.
To be faithful and loyal to you,
For as long as we both shall live. Kathryn, I give you this ring as a sign of our marriage. With my body I honour you. All that I am I give to you, and all that I have I share with you, within the love of God, Father, Son and Holy Spirit.
I give you this ring as a sign of our marriage. With my body I honour you. All that I am I give to you, and all that I have I share with you, within the love of God, Father, Son and Holy Spirit.
Mark and Kathryn, for as much as you both have pledged, I now declare you to be husband and wife. Mark, you can now kiss your wife. And at the age of 5, she learned to write. She wrote herself this check. At the age of 4, from my checkbook, can't quite make out the total unless Eleanor can, but there's loads of zeros. So this was a prototype of many more checks to come. Kathryn is and always has been a dear daughter. A very dear daughter. Love you, Cash.
Kathryn, you look amazing today. I'm so thankful to have you and to have met you and to be now able to call you my wife. Your beauty always strikes me and I love how encouraging you are to me and others. I love you and I can't wait to begin our lives together as husband and wife.